About 2 years ago, I bought an RC drift car and I really enjoyed drifting with it, but there was a problem. I had to go to a track to be able to use it, so I thought, why I don't design my own RC drift car to be able to drift at home. Firstly, I set the length of the car to be around 8.5 cm, and after finding the ratio of length, width and wheel diameter, I started designing. As you can see in here, we have the chassis and suspension. The size of the car limits the usage of more complex suspension. This is my first chassis design, but I had to redesign the chassis because the parts at the corners were limiting the angle of the steering. After the print was done, I assembled the suspension and attached it to the chassis. Playing with the steering caused it to get smooth enough to be used. I quickly printed 2 wheels with a diameter of 14 mm and put them on. At first they were hard to rotate, but just like the steering, they got loose. Now we need a steering mechanism. After some time, I came up with a mechanism which is used in the submarine doors. While it was printing, I went ahead and attached the receiver and servo to the chassis. For connecting the wheels and servo, I used LED pins as they were the only rods that I was able to find. Here is probably the hardest part, connecting the wheels to a steering rod. The size of the project requires lots of patience. After assembling the steering, the front of the car was done, so I connected the servo to the steering rod using 2 LED pins which I hot glued them together. Apparently, hot gluing 2 LED pins just wastes 15 minutes of your time and then fall apart, so solder them. Now, here is the testing of the steering. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. It motivates me to do more.